We're here at DevOpsDays Raleigh. I'm here with Marino. Please introduce yourself to the All Things Open community.
Hey everyone, my name is Marino Wijay. I am a platform/solutions engineer at Commodore. So I focus on Kubernetes reliability challenges, and I work with a lot of different teams just to make sure that they're thinking about Kubernetes in the right lens.
Awesome. So you have a talk here at DevOpsDays Raleigh. Can you share a few takeaways that you're going to share with the audience?
Absolutely. So my talk's on network platform engineering with GitOps. We've come a long way with networking, and we're building new kinds of roads with different kinds of workloads, and we just have to be accommodating of the different processes and tooling that is in place. So my Ignite talk actually focuses in on a particular stack that I'm proposing that folks should consider when they're rethinking their network.
Okay. All right. Well, I guess we'll have to wait for the Ignite to see the solution. What's something happening in DevOps today, a topic, a trend, or a debate that you're following that you think people should be aware of?
There's two. If you're attached to the cloud native ecosystem, you'll find that there's consolidation in full swing, even though it's very subtle. Companies are moving into other companies because we're really thinking about how to be efficient with tooling and processes and platforming, and that consolidation helps in a variety of ways. The second trend is what's going on in open source with a lot of different organizations trying to work to maintain an offering, but at the same time also trying to take ownership of particular projects. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens in the next year, 2024 and even into 2025, especially in the cloud native ecosystem.
Hey, this is Todd with All Things Open. Thank you so much for watching. We truly appreciate it. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. We've got a lot of new content coming we think you're going to be interested in. One final favor, be sure to go to allthingsopen.org, allthingsopen.org to see everything that we do. Back to the video.
Okay, well, thanks for sharing that trend. What's one tip or piece of advice that you'd like to share with the All Things Open community?
I think everyone that's in the tech space, or even if you're not in the tech space and you're considering that move, think about building out a home lab. The home lab gives you so much exposure to how to build out a little mini data center for yourself to test out a variety of different ways to deploy virtualization, a little bit of the Kubernetes, maybe some other flavors of workload environments if you want to. And I bring this up because you're not only dealing with software, you're dealing with hardware, you're dealing with cables. You get to see the guts of a data center or even a cloud environment. So I recommend folks really think about that home lab setup. You can start small, pick up a few pies and start your home lab there. And then you'll get to a point where you have a bunch of Dell Optiplexes doing a whole bunch of things for you.
Awesome. Start small and go from there. Great.
Yep.
Well, where can our community find you on the socials?
I am on Twitter, at virtualized6. Pretty easy to find me if you actually look up the name. I'm sure you'll have no troubles. I'm also on LinkedIn. I'm also on YouTube as well, where I've got a growing channel that focuses on network technologies and cloud native, and even like the ethos of what we do for the community.
Perfect. Thanks for your time today, Marina. I really appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Right.
Appreciate
awesome,
it.
Dude.